smile and play. We'll draw something new every day.
Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we're drawing something magical, a Hello Kitty fairy. Let's start drawing. Let's begin with Hello Kitty's ears. Draw 2 pointy triangles near the top of the page, one on each side. Now, let's add Hello Kitty's bow. Draw 2 big loops on the top right of her head, like butterfly wings. Next, draw her face. Start by making a round oval shape below the ears. Now it's time for her body. Draw a small square shape below the face for her dress top. Add a wavy line at the bottom to make it look like a frilly dress. Let's give Hello Kitty her magical fairy wings. On each side of her body, draw 2 big oval shapes. These are her fluttery fairy wings. Every fairy needs a magical wand. Draw a straight stick in one of her hands. At the top of the wand, draw a big star with a tiny swirl on top to make it extra magical. Time for her tiny shoes. Draw 2 small oval shapes at the bottom of her dress to give her little fairy feet. Let's make Hello Kitty's face come alive. Draw 2 oval shapes for her eyes, a tiny oval for her nose, and a small curved line for her smile. Wow! Our Hello Kitty fairy is looking magical already, but now it's time to bring her to life with colors. Let's color each part step by step. I'm going to use yellow for the star and the top of her dress, blue for her fairy wings, red for her bow, green skirt, pink shoes, and cream for her face. Remember, your Hello Kitty fairy doesn't have to look exactly like mine. You can use your favorite colors to make her your very own magical creation. Did you know Hello Kitty has a pet named Charmy Kitty? She's a fluffy white Persian cat that wears a pink bow, just like Hello Kitty. You can draw this Hello Kitty fairy for so many occasions. Use it as a decoration for a birthday card, make it for a friend or family member, or draw it just for fun when you want to feel magical. Who would you create this for? Now, let's finish by adding her tiny inner ears and 3 whiskers on each side of her face. These little details make her look just perfect. Wow, you did an amazing job. She's ready to fly off and spread magic everywhere. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Create for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time.